Today, you're going to help me compare numbers. Oops. Okay, let's look at these two numbers. Which one is greater? Let's compare them. How do we know if a number is greater than the other? Well, let's start off by looking at the hundreds place. So do you notice something? We've been working on two-digit numbers. Now we're moving on to three-digit numbers. We know that this right here is our ones place. This right here is our tens place. And whoa, we have a hundreds place now. So how do we determine which one is bigger? Well, let's look at the hundreds place. Do they have the same digit? They do. They both have 1. So that means it's 100 for both. Then we look at the tens place. Do they have the same digit? No. This one has a 2 and this one has a 1. So this one has 2 tens and this one has 1 tens. So if we already know that that a number in the tens place is bigger than the other, we can already determine that 120 is bigger than 111. Let's use our greater than sign. So we're going to go this way. We're going to use this symbol, the greater than sign. We can put dots at each corner. So this side has 2 dots and this one has 1. This side is greater than because there are 2 and this one only has 1. So let's think of that when we're trying to compare numbers. We can also compare numbers by using base 10 blocks. So, do they have the same number of hundreds? They do. This one has 100 and this one has 100. But do they have the same number of tens? Right, they don't. This one has 2 tens and this one only has 1 10. So this one has more than this one. So 120 is greater than 111. Like I mentioned earlier, 2 tens and 120 is greater than the 110 that was in 111. So 120 is greater than 111. All right, let's compare 32 and 35. Do they have the same number of tens? Let's count. We have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. They do have the same number of tens. But do they have the same number of ones? This one has 2 and this one has 5. So 32 is less than 35. If we were to use our symbol, we would make this symbol because 35 has more. 35 is greater than 32. So there's 2 dots on this side and there's 1 dot on this side. So we can say 32 is less than 35. Working with numbers is a blast and I hope you think so as well. Thank you.